Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. Here in this page of settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find WhatsApp, and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget